What's up everyone? Today is going to be a super special day. We have Anthony from Madwhips cleaning his own brakes. But we're about to do an exhaust job on his car, a wing and steering wheel, seat belts and all these other accessories that he's ordered. What's up Anthony? Welcome to GI.
Hey, thanks for having me and thanks for doing all the work on my car. Super excited.
Awesome. We're going to get dirty today and thanks to Kline for shipping out our exhaust in a rush order. Super nice kit. There you go. Going into this 997 4S, and it's going to be a very interesting, easy job because we can do the exhaust job in about 2 hours. Next steps would be to mount Anthony's HRE wheels. So Anthony decided to go with HRE wheels. Which wheels were these?
89, 890R I think.
890R. So many codes. But they're gonna look super amazing, and I'm gonna stop talking and get my hands dirty.
Well, I'm super excited to have this exhaust by Kline. Super lightweight. The workmanship is absolutely gorgeous. All the welds, they're meticulous. There isn't a single burr on this system. I'm so excited to hear how this sounds, guys. It's going to be probably the first C4S with the Kline exhaust, right?
Could be.
Well, 997 anyways.
So JC and I have managed to drop everything, and now it's gotta go back up. So quick update, we've got most of the exhaust on. We are missing the exhaust tips. Alright Jace. You just got smoked. Literally.
Do it again? Fucking sick. We're cold.
So what do you think of your new shoes?
So far, the exhaust under idle sounds incredible and startup, and the wheels are looking amazing.
Excited to see it.
Yeah, excited to hear it.
Hear it, see it. It's a new car. So it's the end of the day and we're wrapping up. I'm sure Anthony's gonna have fun with his car tonight. We just finished the exhaust and the wheels, and tomorrow we'll be doing the interior and the wing. So this is the awesome shop, and I'll see you guys soon. Ciao.